Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable popsicles at home. These delightful frozen treats are not only incredibly refreshing, but also a clever way to sneak more nutrients into your diet. You'll discover how simple it is to create healthy, flavorful popsicles using fresh ingredients, giving you complete control over what you and your family consume. Let's get started on this fun and healthy culinary adventure. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Select fresh, ripe vegetables such as spinach for a green hue, carrots for orange, or beets for a beautiful red. These provide essential vitamins and minerals. You'll also need a good blender to achieve a smooth consistency, along with popsicle molds and sticks. For a touch of natural sweetness, a small amount of fruit like an apple or a few berries works wonderfully. Now, let's prepare your veggie mixture. First, thoroughly wash and chop your selected vegetables into small, manageable pieces. This helps your blender work more efficiently. Next, add the chopped vegetables to your blender along with about 1/4 cup of water or a natural fruit juice. Blend everything until it reaches a perfectly smooth consistency. If you prefer, you can strain the mixture for an even silkier texture. Finally, it's time to freeze your delicious creations. Carefully pour the smooth vegetable mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Insert the popsicle sticks firmly into each mold. Place them in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. When ready to enjoy, simply run warm water over the mold for about 20 seconds to release your homemade veggie popsicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.